Okay, a quick unboxing video here, but I was, I don't know, shooting, and for some reason my camera stopped. I had no idea how long ago it stopped, so I guess I should pay attention to that. Not a big grouping here of new idea cards. These are the cards, by the way, that I include with different orders, and it just happens to be whatever ones we have at the time, but these are 5 new ones based on cards that I have done recently. I was looking, when I opened this one right here, this, I don't know, the printing of this one looks really dark for some reason. I don't know if it's my exposure on my camera. It looked pretty good on the screen, but having it printed, you never know what these things are going to look like. But I think they slightly underexposed here for some reason. I don't know how that could be. It's digital. Here's another one right here, another photo stamping scene, and I really like these photo stamping scenes. These 3 right here are different examples of that type of process right here. They're all, you know, on this video channel, but sometimes it's nice to have kind of a hard copy in hand to reference or to kind of inspect a little bit closer, although these are, you know, several generations away from the original, and you know, the videos are really good indication of kind of actual color. I don't know, sometimes you might be able to spot something in a hard copy format, or I don't know, just for inspiration, have a hard copy kind of around a desk that might, you know, might not have access to a computer nearby, or whatever you're watching videos on. Photo stamping, 3 photo stamping examples right here. And this one's another scene that I really liked. It's just kind of the Moonlight Fantasy Video 418 right here. This one's a half-page scene right here, doing a lot of the little fireflies right here in the foreground, kind of adding a kind of a whimsical element to it, and adding some contrast and texture and just sort of visual variety to the overall scene by having these little lights in here representing fireflies, lightning bugs, whatever you call them. And another one right here. I just had a few of these ones printed up just because Halloween has passed, but this is a scene that I really liked. And here's hands holding a hand, you know, a scene holding a scene that looks kind of weird right there, but this is a full page scene right here, and just that little balloon, you know, from that little kid walking down the road right there was really fun to do, and kind of a nice surprise and addition for me to use something like that in a scene. And I've since done it in jack-o'-lantern and whatnot, but video number 414, the red balloon, inspired by the It movie, It number 2 trailers. So kind of a fun little homage or whatever, reference to that movie and one of the elements within that movie. So anyways, some more idea cards to go out with the orders, and hopefully they inspire people to try perhaps some photo stamping techniques out there, really fun to do, or to I don't know, play around with the little paper elements and just add it into a scene to add, you know, a really strong focal point. As small as that little element is, it really pops right out at you in terms of creating a visual focal point. And of course, I always think that gel pens and white pigment ink can really add a very strong dynamic in sometimes the smallest of little applications of it to an overall scene. So anyways, if you happen to get any of these, hope you enjoy them, and yeah, thanks for watching the video, and if you have any questions, drop me a note in the comment section as always.